Yo, what's up, guys? We just had like a power trip. Don't know why. Like for a second. Went off and came back on. Okay, everything's back to normal. Okay, so this is the plan right now, guys. We got that 30 close. I'm gonna look at the rebreak of the highs to look to take it into that high of resistance. I want to see price come down first. It's gonna be looking like this. Okay, with my stop will be at the low of the candle, and I'll be targeting those highs. That's what I am looking at the moment. But also I'm kind of also anticipating a retest. Okay. So looking for a retest to come grab liquidity and then see what we can do from these levels. But at the moment I can't do anything. So no shaken. Live chat is disabled. Mod, just check the live chat for me. It shouldn't be though. All good? No, it should be fine, yeah. Gino, just come here. I will anticipate at the break of the highs. We can obviously run. Stops will be the low of the candle. 27, and obviously if it comes further than let's say 30, 35 pips, I won't take it. No pending orders, guys. If I don't call it, if I don't say this and I don't say that, don't think I'm doing that. Like, I'm not doing buy lips, I'm not doing buy stops. I'm gonna be doing main execution. Until I utter those words, I won't say that I'm doing that. Buy limits, I don't ever do that. I don't trade buy limits. And then buy stops, we won't do in a case where there's high market volatility. Like this. I need to see it physically with my eyes, break the high, and then I'll take it. For me personally, I just don't trust buy limits. Why are you buying on a counter? Understand? That's why I don't do buy limits. And also the way my strategy is set up, it's set up to a point where we use it as a momentum carrier. So buy limits don't support it. So this is what I would like now, the 30 flip. So it is quite deep, but I would anticipate a solid rollover. And the max that I would want to see retracing would be like 36 pips. If it's bigger than 36 pips, I'm not going to take the buys. But I am currently looking to buy at the flip of this 30. Okay, so literally just waiting to see if she can flip on this 30-minute. If this 15 closes bearish, it's not going to be a trade that I'm going to take, okay? And then if I get pulled in and starts breaking highs, I'm actually going to move this. So this is the current stop loss, right? It's going to be 30 pips. But we have closure in the next 5 minutes. But also that will depend if I'm going to take the position or not. If that doesn't set up the way I want to, then it's going to be a no trade day for me. And I'll call it an early session. Because this was the initial move I wanted, and the only way I can get on now is a continuation if it breaks highs after it just came and grabbed liquidity. Okay, so it wasn't that super deep retracement that I wanted, but it should be enough, especially because it broke the previous 15. So for me now, if it's going to break the highs, I mean, I'll definitely grab those buys. TP1 will obviously be 10, and then I'll move stops to break even as well as secure partials. $15 close coming. We just want that 15 to close bullish. Weak bear should also be fine. And then the next candle doesn't need to give me a large bottom wick and just start impulsing to the upside. That'll be fine as well. Are we in yet? I'm still waiting, brother. Two minutes to 15 close also. Okay, a minute to the close. So a minute to the close, if it drives down, going like past this levels, I won't be taking those longs, guys. But at this point, if it's gonna go, it should go after a minor bottom wick and a drive. If it closes weak bearish. Okay, that's fine. Need a bottom wick. As it breaks highs, I can take it. So, still fine with the setup. As long as it doesn't break this low here, 193.515, I'll still take the trade. But if it breaks that low, then I'm just not going to take the trade. But as long as it stays above, I will gladly take it. MFX members in the Zoom, we're good. Just remember, tomorrow is accountability day. Tomorrow's accountability, and then next week, guys, on YouTube, I won't be streaming the whole of next week on YouTube. Next week's going to be purely for MFX members, as we'll be doing London sessions, as well as NFP next week privately. So if you want to be part of that, it's as simple as just joining the membership. But the entire next week, I won't be on YouTube. It's just going to be daily trading for the MFX members. The whole of next week. pretty much gonna be the 30 break of highs, eh? Yeah, 30 re-break of highs. Okay, 9 minutes to closure. Let's see what's happening. I just need to break the highs and I can take the position. So Simeon's busy phoning me while I'm on live stream, bro. This guy. Um, hourly close also now, right? So with this hourly coming up, I'm gonna anticipate the next candle to give me a bottom wick and then continue driving. This is a very nice hourly close, but I do anticipate a retracement. Yeah, obviously we're on a 5-minute range here. Okay, so the way it looks now, I might not take this trade. I'll have to wait for it to actually come into liquidity and then look for type 2s. But I need to wait and see. Because I can still anticipate resistance being there, price retesting, grabbing liquidity, and then driving. MFX members in the YouTube, just come to Zoom. After this closure, guys, I'm just gonna go to Zoom with the MFX members, so I'll see you all in there. Different trade that I'm still wanting to take, I'll just take it in the Zoom. Okay, so coming up to the closure now, hourly still looks good to actually come and wick fill that previous 30 has formed resistance. What I'm going to anticipate is that we drive down, give a bottom wick, and as we start flipping, we should drive up. Yeah, MFX members, there's definitely going to be a setup for us to take. Just come to Zoom. I'm going to end YouTube in the next minute. Just want to see this closure. Yeah, this is quite nice actually. Bottom wick, and then price to continue driving up. We have a type 2 setting up hourly, looking good. Yeah, looks good. So we can definitely still take a position here, guys. That is definitely something we can still grab. But YouTube, I'm gonna call it for you guys. I will see you guys not this coming week, but the following week, because I won't be trading live with you guys next week. I'm gonna take full focus on just my MFX members. So if you want to be part of that, it's as simple as joining in on the membership. Other than that, guys, have a blessed day further and a lovely week next week. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.